Greetings for our beloved lecturer. So we are from group 3 going to present about our project proposal presentation. Okay, so we are a group of 5 members. Myself, I'm Kirtika and C.KRISHNAN. My metric number is 296093 and my teammate are Yashmita Karnanidhi, Yarshini Vijaya, Tanushree Shankar and Rushika Viswanathan. So our topic is about factors that influence the engagement in TikTok Live. So throughout this topic, the research background is the main problem to be addressed in this research is to identify the key factors that influence engagement in TikTok Live. So we expected the solution to this problem is conduct a comprehensive research study focusing on the factors that influence the TikTok Live. So it is possible to acquire important insights into what drive viewers to actively participate and engage during live broadcasts by studying a variety of factors including content kind, timing, user engagement and presenter qualities. Okay, so let's see what's the problem statement of this topic. Okay, so we have two main problem statements. So the main problem we consider in this topic is that nowadays the business themselves in a market that is becoming more competitive and they should strive to attract more consumer and increase the purchase intention of the audience. And the second problem is that we identify that TikTok live features allow users to broadcast themselves live to their followers, so it will giving them a chance to interact with their audience in real time. So currently most of the influence they are preferring go on the TikTok live streaming to attract more followers. Okay, so from this we come up with a research question that the first question is, what are the influences that influence engagement in TikTok live? And also we questioning ourselves like how interactive features hence engagement in TikTok live. And also, does user generated content, which is we can also call as UGC, play a significant role in attracting and sustaining viewer engagement? To find a solution for this research question, we need an objective to achieve. So my teammate will explain the objective of this topic. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Rushika Viswanathan and my metric number is 290280. So now I'll explain about the objective of this research, which is to identify the influence that impact engagement in TikTok Live. The next is to examine how interactive features enhance engagement in TikTok Live, and another objective is to determine the role of user-generated content in attracting and sustaining viewer engagement in TikTok Live. The next is the scope of the study. So this research is mainly purposed to explore the aspect of interacting TikTok Live between the user and the audience basically. And this evaluation will be conducted among the TikTok users by exploring the impacts of user experience, interaction, and the participation. And the method that is used in this research is questionnaire via online service. So now I will explain about the significance of the studies, which is why is it important of this research, where TikTok is a rapidly growing social media that has gained many people's attention. So through this research, it will help the marketers, advertisers, and content creators to enhance their strategies and reach their target. So the next, it will help to maximize the reach of users who start maybe a new small business through this platform. And this research also could help people in the future in several ways. For example, it will help to improve methodological ways such as collecting and analyzing data from TikTok. The second will be it could help to develop a theoretical ideas where it seems to be more logical on TikTok social media platform. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Yashmita Perempuan Karnanidhi and my metric number is 284444. So I'll be presenting about the literature review regarding our topic. The first subtitle under the literature review is TikTok engagement. So TikTok, as we know, it is a mobile application that enables the pupil to create and share interesting and creative content of videos. So, in the beginning year of 2021, a statistic had said that about 2.6 billion users are actively using the TikTok application, and now it has increased as well. So, some of the examples of videos that we can create or share in TikTok is dancing videos, funny videos, magic tricks, product promotions, and the guidelines on using certain products, and many more. The second subtitle under the literature review is Customer Engagement in TikTok Live. Customer engagement can be said as the basic characteristics for communication tool in the TikTok live streaming. This thing will lead to a good purchasing intention in TikTok live streaming. So, according to research conducted by Khan in the year 2017, customers tend to stay engaged very well in interactive and creative videos compared to static text or image. Based on Vivek and all in the year 2014, customer engagement is known as the contact level and connection of a customer to a company's product or activity. But based on the research conducted by Zhang in the year 2022, customer engagement is known as the manners customers do in reaction.
Hi, my name is Tanushree Shankar and my matrix number is 284428. So now I will be explaining about the factors influencing engagement in TikTok Live. First, TikTok is a virtual playground. TikTok has a lot of features such as visual effect, camera motion, and so on. With these features, it will create a virtual playground for users to develop playfulness and they can mold their imagination into videos. Second is user-friendly and convenient. As mentioned by Meng et al. 2021, users find TikTok much more easier to use and it's very convenient. So with TikTok, they can produce short-form videos and engage and share their videos to their loved ones. The third factor is creating a community. So according to Chowdhury et al. 2020, highlight that this app offers topics and content that arouse mutual interest, encouraging users to develop and publish content, and it will provide a common ground for users to connect and share their passion among other users. The fourth factor is escape. As observed by Fergus et al. 2022, TikTok serves as an escape because in during COVID-19 pandemic, when movement was restricted, TikTok provide a virtual space where people can spend their free time on. Finally, Cat et al. 2021 identified three categories of engagement behaviors on TikTok. First is consuming, for creating and contributing. Contribution has the lowest value, which limits to liking, commenting, forwarding, following, and saving videos. Enhancement, on the other hand, allows users to improve video quality by adding a special effect, music, and so on. And the last and highest level of engagement is creation itself, where users can produce their own videos, go live, interact with their favorite TikTokers by also giving gifts, collaboration, and support them.
Okay, now I will be continuing about the theory for our topic, and the theory is known as uses and gratification theory. This theory is developed by Elihu Katz and Jay Blumler to describe the relationship between the media and the people. In addition, this theory also describes how media is being used by the people. So, based on what I had studied from the research papers regarding this theory, the term gratification is used to describe specific categories or elements of satisfaction that people gain when using the media. But according to research conducted by Katz and Foltz in the year 1962, uses and gratification theory is a way to understand the reason behind and how people actively using media. But in the recent times, this theory is used to figure out the specific actions or reasons that influence the pupil's motivation for using media. On the other hand, according to research by Malthouse, Henley, Skira, Witch and Zhang in the year 2013, the goal of a brand or product is to attract people by implementing the gratification through the content. So this is what I am able to get from the research papers regarding the theory. So that's all from me for my presentation. Thank you.
Next, according to Gunn and Lee 2018 as cited in Ma Y 2021 January, social interaction is connected with social gratification. Social interaction boosts engagement and purchase intentions in this TikTok platform. Social presence promotes a warmth, and it will be a main reason why TikTok is the main app. Social presence can be established through features like liking, commenting, interacting with other users. With frequent interaction, users can create a strong bonding between the streamers. The use of media richness, synchronous visual communication, and acknowledgement of views by streamers are one of the factors that promote social presence and viewers' sense of connection with other streamers.
So next part is about the proposed methodology. What is methodology? Methodology is a systematic theoretical analysis of the methods applied to conduct a research. So this diagram showing that all proposed phases and the details in this diagram will be explained in the next slide. Since our topic is about the factors that influence the engagement in TikTok Live, so this study uses the TikTok platform as a framework to investigate the impact of customer involvement and influences on purchase intention. And the second one is to determine the influence of popular TikTok influencers and also the celebrities on TikTok Live. So the second part is about the method. Data collection method that we used in this research is quantitative method, which means used to generalize result from larger sample population. We use this method and collect quantitative data from students via an online survey, which is questionnaire. The next part is about the population and sampling technique. The target population for this study is students who have used TikTok live stream shopping, and the study was enabled to determine whether the UUM target group had used the TikTok application. So for this study, the researcher used a non-probabilistic sampling method, which incorporates non-random selection based on usefulness and simplicity of data collection. So in this work, the researchers took a non-probabilistic sampling technique since the objective gathering is the audience of TikTok live shopping and time limitation. The second part is unit of analysis. So in this study, the unit of analysis is the students in University Utara Malaysia. In the other words, in the unit of analysis is individual. And then the data analysis. Once the questionnaire are distributed and data collected, the authors compile the result using Microsoft Excel before transferring it to the Smart PLS for further processing and research development. The instrument development that we used in this research is questionnaire to gather the necessary information from respondents, which includes 8 questions with multiple choice and 10 questions that we used a Likert scale, which means strongly disagree to strongly agree. Okay, so let's come to the conclusion. Overall, this research will be conducted to identify the influences that impact engagement in TikTok Live and to examine how interactive features hence engagement in TikTok Live. The nature of the cooperation can be seen through the way of host speaks with audience in TikTok Live. Two-way communication is essential to effective communication, and message can be effectively conveyed. When it's come to delivering meaningful interactive messages, this should be a concern for business owners. So the research proposal also explores engagement in TikTok Live based on the uses and gratification theory. So by using this theory, this research proposal will show that social and psychological factors are also involved in the engagement in TikTok live. So this research also will be approached with a quantitative method. So questionnaire will be created to understand the relationship between this theory and TikTok users. Thank you.